Scratches on your car can be incredibly frustrating. Whether they're the result of a stray shopping cart, an overgrown bush, or an accidental brush against another vehicle, they diminish your car's appearance and can even affect its value. The good news is, in many cases, you can handle these scratches yourself with a few tools and some patience. Let me guide you through how to get scratches out of your car and restore its shine. First, take a close look at the scratch. Assess its depth by running your fingernail over it. If your nail doesn't catch, the scratch is likely shallow and limited to the clear coat, which makes it much easier to fix. Deeper scratches that penetrate the paint or primer require more effort but can often still be addressed without professional help. For light scratches, start by thoroughly cleaning the affected area with soap and water to remove any dirt or debris. Dry the surface completely. Next, grab a microfiber cloth and a good quality scratch remover. Apply a small amount of the product to the cloth and rub it into the scratch using circular motions. Be consistent and apply light pressure for a few minutes. Wipe away the excess product with a clean section of the cloth and check the results. If needed, repeat the process until the scratch blends with the rest of the surface. If you're dealing with deeper scratches, the process involves a few extra steps. Begin by cleaning the area as before. Use fine grit sandpaper, about 2000 grit, to gently sand the edges of the scratch, being careful not to remove too much paint. This step smooths out the surrounding area and prepares it for touch-up paint. Once you've finished sanding, wipe the area clean and apply touch-up paint that matches your car's color. Allow the paint to dry completely before adding a clear coat to protect it. Finally, use a scratch remover to blend the repaired section into the rest of the car. Knowing how to get scratches out of your car is a useful skill that can save you time and money. However, for scratches that are too deep or involve body damage, it might be worth consulting a professional to ensure the repair is seamless. To avoid future scratches, take some precautions. Park in spots with plenty of room. Keep your car clean to prevent dirt and debris from causing micro scratches. And consider applying a protective wax or ceramic coating to the paint. These steps won't make your car scratch-proof, but they'll go a long way in minimizing the risk. Now that you understand how to get scratches out of your car, you can confidently tackle minor damage and keep your car looking its best. It's satisfying to handle these issues on your own, and with the right approach, your car will be back to its shiny, pristine condition in no time. If you have any questions or need further guidance, don't hesitate to ask.